Across the globe, demand for oil and gas continues to grow. Operations are being pushed to produce more, faster than ever before. But one limit remains: noise. Across sites near communities and critical infrastructure, noise is under increasing scrutiny. Stricter limits, restricted hours, lost production time. What if noise could be controlled right at the source, allowing operations to continue without exceeding limits? A smarter, more flexible approach to noise control is coming. How much more could you achieve if noise wasn't the limit?